Oscar 9201, Cyclist down, reporting possible collision. Ma'am, are you in need of assistance?
Oh, no. I just got attacked by a magpie.
Reporting possible assault. Stand by for further info.
Assault? No, I'm fine.
Did you see what the attacker looked like?
Well, yeah, I mean, kind of. It looks like a magpie. It was a magpie.
A magpie? Like a criminal?
No, like a bird. Sorry, I've got to get going.
Exactly. Time. Is of the essence if we're going to apprehend this individual. Could you describe for me what the offender was wearing?
They weren't really wearing anything.
I can see you're in shock. But any detail, no matter how small, can be instrumental in apprehending a suspect. So, you said they were not wearing anything. Completely nude?
They had feathers, I guess.
Okay, great. You're doing really well. Feathers? And roughly how tall were they?
I don't know, like this big? Sorry, I really need to get to work.
Suspect is naked with some feather coverings and approximately 30 centimetres tall.
Are you a real cop?
Now, I won't take up too much more of your time. I just need you to take me through the details of the incident.
Fine. I was riding along, a magpie swooped down, and then it flew off.
Okay, hold up there. So, you're saying your attacker just flew away, like some kind of plane?
No. Yes, but like a bird.
Okay. You think this is some kind of joke? You think this is funny? Kids live around here.
I'm sorry, I really don't care. I'm going to be late for work,
Of course you don't. Oh, look at me. I'm in a rush. I've got a big job and a latte and a fax machine. Meanwhile, I'm out here trying to make the world a safer place and you're making up stories about birds and flying magpies. This creep's next victim could be anyone. It could be me. How would you feel about that? What was that? What?
Actually, I feel quite good about it.